Alright, so in this video, we're just going to talk about the reason why is it important for us to attend seminars or conventions just like the Photoworldasia 2023. Mabuhay Tasers! Welcome to Taste Visuals. If you are new to this channel and you're kind of interested in these kind of contents, be sure to subscribe and tap that bell there so you'll get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, to all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. You guys are awesome. And please don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts for more videos, updates, and tips. Alright, so yeah. Nandito kami ngayon sa Photo World. First time namin umattend dito. And syempre, to support ATI, Attitude Digital. Medyo nakalibot na kami. Ito kanina nag-live si Aldrich. Nag-live siya kanina. And ako medyo nakalibot na rin. Napalinis ko na rin yung dalawang unit ko ng Fujifilm. And so far, we are enjoying it. This is your first time din, kagaya ko, na pumunta sa Photo World. Ano naman ang nararamdaman mo? Anong experience? Yung na-feel mo o during those days na pumunta ka dito?
Yung na-feel ko agad dito is napaka-energetic nung experience. Kasi since nga pandemic, nawala yung Photo World, no, sir?
Yes.
Hindi tayo nakabisita, hindi natin nasaksiyan to. Ngayon, na nagbabalik siya. Ako, sa totoo lang, na-inspire ako na mag-upgrade. Mag-upgrade ng camera. Kasi sobrang welcoming ng mga brands.
Yes.
Hindi ko na sila isa-isain, pero yung mga brands, napaka-welcoming ng marketing team nila. And at the same time, hindi yung parang sales talk. Parang nakukonvince ka kasi nakikita mo na may mga nagtutok. Recently lang yung kay Sir Gijo na napanood ko. Sobrang ganda nung talk and marami akong natutunan, marami akong na-absorb na ma-apply ko rin sa career na meron ako ngayon, which is yun, photography. And basically, yung nakita ko rin yung dun sa may likod ng TikTok event, dun sa kabilang side ng activity center, may mga prints doon. So makikita natin yung mga parang, kumbaga wall of fame, pero mga pictures siya. Nakaka-inspire naman kasi hopefully soon, kung magkaroon din ako ng opportunity, gusto ko rin na makita yung isa sa mga best shots ko doon.
Yes.
Portraits. Wonderful experience and sobrang ngayon pa lang successful yung Photoworldasia 2023.
So see you at the 2024 Photo World.
Yes, see you at Photo World. Marami-rami tayong maabangan, lalo na kay Sir Eden. Ayan. Sa TikTok niya. Ayan. Follow Taste Visuals.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Ayan.
The aesthetics.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sir Eden.
Thank you. So one of the reasons why we should attend such conventions or seminars is because we need to be engaged. We have to know our brands. We have to know a lot of things about this industry that we're trying to get into. So, syempre, hindi naman tayo papasok o susugod sa isang gera na hindi natin alam kung paano gamitin yung baril, di ba? So, just like Jaira, she tested out a bunch of camera brands in there to know kung ano ba yung preference niya, kung ano ba yung kailangan niya para sa profession na pinili niya, kung ano ba yung mga features na makakatulong na maging better yung mga output niya for her profession, di ba? Kailangan mo kasing malaman kung komportable ka ba sa Canon, sa Sony, sa Fujifilm, and all of those brands are there. Even Panasonic was there. And even the lenses and other camera peripherals is present in that event. You have certain privileges na makukuha mo for free. And that doesn't happen every day, di ba? So that's what's important here. And just like what Jaira said, all of the brands there are very welcoming. Meaning, pwede ka na magtanong kung anong mga gusto mong tanong, ano bang klaseng features to, para saan yon, at paano gamitin yon, para mas malinawan ka na exactly kung paano gagamitin yung camera na yon. With these free informations that you're getting from these brands, syempre, mas tataas yung knowledge mo and you get to know more on what camera are you going to get. Kamusta naman ang Photo World 2023 ngayon?
Pagod na ako. Pang-apat na araw ko na to.
Pang-apat na araw.
Pero sobrang fun kasi after 2 years nabalik yung Photo World. Para revenge event siya. So very fun, engaging, maraming content creators, maraming professionals. Kung gusto mo matuto, sabi ko nga diba sa mga group chat, ito yung best way para makita mo yung gusto mong camera, matest mo, at saka matuto ng free. free kasi siya, so parang kapag hindi ka pa kakapunta dito, sayang talaga yung opportunity. Kasi it only happens once a year.
Exactly.
Yung mga hindi nakapunta na nasa Manila, parang nasasayangan ako sa opportunities. Pero sobrang fun.
Yes,
Kahit
it is.
nakakapagod.
Yes. Thank you. Number 2, be empowered. Gaya nga ng sinabi ko, these type of events conducts free seminars. And we all know how much a seminar costs. In here, all you have to do is go to the place, and pagdating mo doon, mamimili ka na lang kung sino yung pakikinggan mo. Kasi kabilaan, per brands, they have their own speakers, they have their own professionals sharing their thoughts, their experiences, and how you can improve your craft. Through those knowledge that you're able to gain from those free seminars, it will empower you to do the things that you really love to do and make your output better. Ikaw, ilang beses ka na umattend ng Photo World?
Photoworld is my second time, sir, and the first time I've been here is last day yon, Chinese New Year, that was way back 2019. And wala, nakikiram-iram lang ako. Parang alam mo yun, yung pumunta ko, uy, camera, try ko naman. Uy, camera. Yung parang sobrang cam geek ka ba? And after 4 years, ayan, attend ako ng mga workshops, hanggang sa makakilala, mga connections, mag-shoot, maka-work with many people, yan, Sir Saddam, nakakasama sa field, sa internet, hanggang sa parang I attended workshops, na ganyan ako yung nag-initiate, ganyan, then ayun, Tower, ito, yan.
Yeah.
Hindi naman siya, ano siya, small milestone siya na I am proud na sabihin ko na dati, andyan lang ako, nagmamasid. And ngayon, isa na ako sa nag-share ng reviews, nag-share ng knowledge sa ibang tao.
Yes.
And with the help of Altitude Digital, ayan. So, I am very thankful na sobrang laking event, sobrang laking convention lang lahat ng tao. And yeah, this is something I am proud of myself na andito tayo.
Well, you should be.
Yes.
You should be. Number 3, be educated. So gaya nga ng sinabi ni D-Vlog, di ba? Feed your passion with practice. That's one thing. But in order for you to practice, you need to educate yourself on how to use and how to properly do the passion that you're trying to pursue. And gaya nga ng ginawa nito ni Direk Jong, no? Dati tumitingin lang siya. But he knew in him na he is passionate about this profession. And not only that, he is also hungry for such knowledge. And now we see how Direk Jong improves throughout the years because he combined passion and knowledge.
Ito ang idol ng lahat.
Idol ang putik.
Yeah, idol namin to. Matagal ko nang gustong makilala to si Mami
May
in
mga
person
text siyang
to si,
gumagano.
si Sir Chris Gids, no?
Hello, sir.
Sobrang na-amaze ako dun sa mga anime mo na ano. Yun
Ay,
yung mga
mga
una ko,
ginagawa.
yun yung mga una kong napanood kasi at the side, medyo otako din tayo, sir.
Okay.
So,
mga One Piece ba yan?
yeah, more on Naruto tayo.
Naruto naman.
Oo. Pero nung nakita ko yun, lalo na yung mga text na animation mo, yung
Ramdam
text,
mo na
ramdam
may
ko.
ano, no?
Yung 90s kid ko lumabas eh. Alam mo yan?
Mga 90s.
Oo, yun.
May mga vibes naman.
Oo,
no?
yung mga vibes ng ganun. So, kamusta naman? Ano mang pinagkakaabala natin ngayon, sir? Medyo...
Tayo ngayon ay medyo tahimik sa social media dahil alam mo na, may mga binibuild tayo ngayon na kailangan nating i-build.
Exactly.
Nagpo-focus tayo sa mga bagay-bagay, hindi naalalayan natin yung mga kasama natin. Pero this year, sana, makapaglabas kami ng mga gusto talaga naming ilabas kasi nanggigigil na rin yung buong team. Nanggigigil na kami lahat.
May anak kasi siya, tatlo na.
Ano?
May anak ka na, tatlo na.
Actually, this is a is.
Ano ka? Ampunan.
Diba? This is a isang anak ko. Hindi, dati kasi ang dami namin.
Oo.
So, alalayan talaga kami.
Pero sa totoo lang, I feel you direct, no? Kasi ako, medyo halos isang taon na rin ako hindi nakakapag-produce ng content on my channel.
Kala ko ng anak.
Pero alam nyo, I salute Boss Chris leadership kasi nakita namin sa social media kung paano niya itrato yung mga team niya. Di ba, ano yun, yung ting-ting niya lang, yung kurtina lang, no?
Oo,
ayun, kurtina lang yung as in, tulugan nila, team sila nandun. And
lapag ka, ano pa yun, pag umulan, pag gising namin, basa na yung likod mo.
Ano naman ngayon? Dati ang payat mo nun eh. Ano naman ngayon?
Then, tinigilan ko lang pa.
Kailangan kahit ka na nag I would list the people, the top 5 people na na-inspire ako sobra. Hindi to mawala sa top 1.
Oo, totoo. Kahit ako,
Malayo
ito,
ka
honestly.
pero pipilitin.
Malayo pa,
Yes,
syempre
yes.
malayo pa
Malayo, oo.
ang Paranaque dito. Malayo talaga, malayo.
Pero in all honesty, no, sobrang dami mong na-inspire na filmmaker, especially during the pandemic, no? And isa na ako doon.
Isa ako
And,
rin.
Actually, hindi ko alam na marami, pero nakakatuwa kasi kanina nga lang may lumapit sa akin na nagulat ako sa reaction niya, tol.
Umiiyak.
Parang siyang, pati tuloy ako, parang may iyak. Sabi niya, Sir, gusto ko magpasalamat sa'yo, ikaw din lang kung bakit ngayon yung bread and butter ko, ikaw yung kumbaga ako din. Nagulat talaga ako.
Di ba?
Boss Chris yan.
Nakakatuwa lang.
Sobrang nakaka-touch yung damdamin talaga yun. Especially, siyempre, nakikita mo, lumalaki yung community natin dahil dun sa mga inspiration na nakuha namin sa inyo. Eh. Siyempre, isa-isa. Uy, napapanood ko si Chris Kids. Uy, napapanood ko si Direct Chong. Uy, alam mo yun?
Halo-halo.
Halo-halo.
Maraming malulupit talaga. Kahit ako pinapanood ko yung mga...
Correct.
Takin to, kay Jong pa lang
Yes.
Kay Jong pa lang
Jong pa lang.
Di ba? Pag nag-uusap-usap kami legit to, kung hindi na nang bunga nito, no?
Totoo yan.
Tsaka si Chris Kids, ano dati? Hindi.
And lastly, number 4 is be inspired. Be inspired in terms of, syempre, marami tayong mga kilalang tao doon. And through that event, we gained a lot of connections. Yung mga hindi ko nakikita in person and kilala ko lang sa online, I was able to meet them there and we were able to, communicate. We were able to talk in person and we were able to exchange knowledge and views, and instantly we became acquaintance. Sooner or later, for sure, these acquaintances that we have or we gain in that kind of event will become our assets, will become our friend, and will become a good connection for us. Napaka-importante po na magkaroon tayo ng magandang connections, especially po sa industry na meron tayo ngayon. And yes, I am a living proof of that. I was just a content creator who dreamed to have a career in this field. But because of these connections that I got, especially with Sir Saddam, I was able to start my own small business. And while meeting these people as well, syempre, hindi naman tayo magpapahuli na makilala yung mga taong nag-inspire sa atin. Syempre, for us, it's a privilege to meet our heroes. To meet those people who inspired us to do what we are doing right now. And that's what I felt when I met Chris Gids. Grabe talaga tong tao na to. He is very humble, he is very passionate, and he is such a good person. And of course, upon meeting these heroes of ours, we are also gaining moral in terms of our passion, di ba? Because we were able to be inspired by them through internet. So what more pa kaya kung makita natin sila in person? It's a wrap! And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, Tasers, this is TASE Visuals, and together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video, guys. TASE Visuals, out. I know, dapat doon ako sa taas magre-record, but it's a good thing that I tried this first. At least ngayon, meron akong dalawang place to record. So if my wife and my son is up there, I can record here. But if they're here, I can do my recordings up there. Galing, di ba?